Hello everyone. I'm Vadini. I'm assistant professor in RPIIT Karnal. Today I'm going to talk about agile technology. What is agile methodology? Agile is an approach to software development that seeks the continuous delivery of working software created in rapid iterations. In practical terms, Agile software development methodology are all about delivering small pieces of working software quickly to improve customer satisfaction. These methodologies use adaptive approaches and teamwork to focus on continuous improvement. What are agile values? Reacting to waterfall approaches to project management, which organizes a software project as a series of linear sequences. A group of software developers penned the manifesto for agile software development, like individual and interactions over processes and tools, working software over comprehensive documentation, then customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Responding to change over following a plan are some of the agile values. What are agile frameworks? Agile frameworks for software development like Scrum, Kanban, or extreme programming form the basis for popular software development processes like DevOps and continuous integration, continuous deployment, CI and CD. Scrum is perhaps the most popular agile framework in use, but not all the agile is Scrum, and honestly, not all the Scrum is agile. Scrum is a framework for managing work designed for small cross functional teams of 5 to 9 people who break their work into actions that can be completed within a consistent period of time called a sprint. Scrum teams consist of team members, a scrum master, and a product owner. Let's discuss about what are the types of methodologies. Agile project management is not a singular framework but an umbrella term that includes a wide range of methodologies, including Scrum. It is the ideal for projects with rapidly changing requirements using short sprints. Kanban. It visualizes project progress and is great for tasks requiring steady output. Lean. Streamliness processes, eliminating waste for customer value. Extreme programming. It enhances the software quality and responsiveness to customer satisfaction. Adaptive project framework, that is, it works well for projects with unclear details as it adapts to constantly evolving client needs. What are the benefits of agile project management? Any project that evolves or does not have clear scope and requirements at the first. Organizations that work in the fast changing environment such as technology, organizations that need to work closely with their customers and other external parties through the life of the project. Then companies that emphasize process and product improvement and are constantly looking to innovate. Last one is project with many interdependent tasks where the team needs to work closely and frequently communicate to ensure success. So this is it for this video. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. Thank you.